Hello everyone, you're welcome back today in our class. My name is Victor Odigoma here, and in our class today, without taking our time, we are still looking at circle and its properties. We've taken up to 5 classes already. You can check out on those classes the introductory aspect of it. We are still looking at the sector of a circle, and I chose this question. It's a WIEC question. I chose this question because I'm going to use this question to do around about 2 or 3 things at once. Yes, I'm going to use this question to, this is radius, this is radius. So I'm going to use this question to take care of calculating this radius according to what the question says. Say the area of the shaded part is. So in this question, if you check out the last one I did, I think 2 classes ago, you realize that we are required to calculate the shaded part. Now, in this question, the shaded part is given to be 504 cm squared. Now we are meant to calculate the radius, okay, quickly, and then you say calculate the radius of the circle, take by 22/7. But when I'm done with this question, I'm also going to use this question to calculate the perimeter of this sector. The perimeter of this sector, please, you have to be there to get it. All right, so quickly, let's look into the question. So this problem is given to us, and then how we want be able or penetrate this question that says the area of this shaded part is 504 cm squared. This line I drew here now is like it's going to cause a little confusion because I want to do something that you will see clearly with me. Let me remove this line and see what will possibly happen there. So, because I want to bring something like this solution, and I would say area, because this area is the area of the minor segment, and you know that the area of the minor segment is area of the sector. Then you remove area of that triangle there. I explained it in the previous class. So area of minor segment equals to area of sector. And that's why I have to remove that line, minus area of the triangle. So this is given to us to be 504 cm squared equals to area of sector, which is theta over 360 times pi r squared, minus area of triangle, which is half r squared sine theta. Okay, can see how elaborate it is. Okay, so we can now work on this. 504 cm squared is equals to, this theta here is 90 degrees, 90 over 360 times 22/7. They ask us to take that, then times r squared. The r is not known, that's what we are looking for, minus 1/2 r squared, then sine 90 degrees. Okay, you can see that this will take care of this one, take care of here 4, and of course sine 90 is 1. So what do we have left here? I think this 4 can still reduce to 2 and reduce this 22 to 11. You see that? So within here I have 11 r squared over 2 times 7, which is 14, minus, this is now r squared over 2, since sine 90 is 1. So obviously I can work on this by finding the LCM. So the LCM of 14 and 2 is 14. So 14 into 14 will be 1. 1 times 11 r squared will be 11 r squared, minus 2 into 14 is 7. 7 times this will be 7 r squared. Okay, so obviously 11r minus 7r will give us 4r squared over 14, which you can extend to 2r squared over 7. Okay, so I can come over here and then say, having obtained this value from this side, I can say 504 is equals to, let me make it over 1 so that I can have that 2r squared over 7. So if you cross multiply here, you will realize that I will have 7 times this. That is 7 times 504 equals to 2r squared. And then 7 times 504, 7 in my, I think I have these figures already here. 7 times 504, we have 3528. 3528 equals to 2r squared. So I can divide both sides by 2. If I divide both sides by 2, I will have r squared equals to 3528 over 2. So that divided by 2 gave me 1764. 17, that is r squared. So I have r squared equals to what again? 1764. 1764. So r is equals to square root of 1764. So r is equals to square root of 1764 is 42 cm. So this is the radius of this circle. Do we get that? So this is the radius of the circle, and that is exactly what they asked us to calculate. But like I said I'm going to make an additional question inside this question, which is calculate the perimeter of that sector. Okay, the perimeter of this sector. Okay, and I'm trusting God you know what perimeter is. Distance around an object. That's perimeter. Distance around an object. So when we are talking about the perimeter of that sector, you have to move like this, and then move like this. If you check out what I just pointed out now, you see radius, and an arc. So the perimeter of the sector is 2 radii plus length of the arc. You get that? I want to bring it also here. So we are going to say, in another question I added, let's say B, perimeter of the sector, is 2r plus length of arc x a y. Okay, and then this is now 2 times the radius is 2 times 42 plus length of the arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So 90 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7, then times 42. This will take care of this and give us 4. Okay. What do we have here? This will take care of this. 2 will cancel this and give us 2 here, and take away this. This 2 cancel itself. 1 cancel this and give us 11 here. So obviously what we have now is 11 times 42 over 7. 11 times 42. Do I have that figure here? 11 times 42 over 7. That will give us 66, equals to 66. Okay, so therefore the perimeter P is equals to 2 times 42 will give us 84 plus 66, and that is 150 cm. Okay, that's the perimeter of this sector. So please look at it again. look at it, look at it, and cross check and understand and verify what ought to be verified. So I trust God that this question will be a plus to your knowledge. And in addition to the previous classes we've had, we are building, because in the next class, I'm going to bring something that is stronger than this. You're not going to afford to miss it. Yes, I am going to bring something. In fact, within this axis of circle and its properties, I am going to do up to 7 to 8 classes, capturing different strong WAEC examinable questions in it. Okay, so that when you study with us, you should be balanced and balanced to be able to handle any problem you can, identify out there. Yes, I don't think you should have any issue when you are with us here. So we are trying our best to make sure that you will get everything you need. So please look at it very well again. Thank you so much for being there. Please share this video to someone, and then the motivation you give us is you subscribe to the channel and then share to people out there, and then um, like our video. It interests us to, when we see that people are, liking our videos, and then, subscribing to the channel. It makes us to understand that what we are doing is not a waste of time. And I'm thinking you are going to partner with us in that directive. Thank you so much for being there.